To backup data on your Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find backup or copy data. Select it, and then you'll be able to select backup data again and turn it on. Now it will ask you for your Google account. Make sure that you have your Google account that you know a password for, and you will remember, because you will use this account to recover your backup as well. So now when you're ready, select whichever things you want to backup on your account, click on confirm, and then we need to go to the settings and allow the permission for photos, since we want to backup photos, to the photos permission to the Photos app. So go for permissions right here, then go for photos and select always allow. Now if we go back, we should be able to perform a backup. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.